Welcome to G2M. Today I start my lecture with this theorem, and the theorem says that let G be a group generated by A, and this be a cyclic group of order n, then G equal to a to the power k is generated if GCD of k and n equal to 1. So this says that G is a group जोटा कि गोटे cyclic group n order and the group G is generated by a to the power k केतबले ना G again a to the power k द्वारा जनरेट हो परिबो को केस रे if and only if this is necessary and sufficient केतबले ना जेतबले GCD of k and n k और n भीतर GCD जेतबले 1 हो at that case G a to the power k द्वारा जनरेट हो परिबो. So I'll give the proof of this theorem. Okay, sure. So since this have both necessary and sufficient condition, I start this theorem with let us consider the GCD of k and n equal to 1, and we have to show G equal to a to the power k generated. Okay, and since GCD of k and n equal to 1, no doubt there exists. So you know it by the definition of GCD from number theory. There exist u and v such that ku plus nv equal to 1. Okay, now I use this fact. So a can be written as a to the power 1 and 1 is ku plus nv. So 1 can be written as ku plus nv. So this is a ku into a nv, and जेहेतु जहाँ जहाँ इनफॉरमेशन देछि हम ताको यूज करियो. जेहेतु देछि जे जी इज साइक्लिक ग्रुप n ऑर्डर आउ जी a द्वारा जनरेट होछि ता माने a ऑर्डर n आई मीन a nth पावर आइडेंटिटी दबो. सो n रो जते मल्टीपल नबा सो a टू द पावर nv भी आइडेंटिटी दबो. So a to the power ku into a to the power nv is identity. So this equal to a to the power ku. So I mean a is written as a to the power k. So a is written as a to the power k. This implies that a to the power k is a generator of a G. Generator a to the power k is a generator of G. So done. So G equal to a to the power k रो generator. इटा ही हमको देखिया थिला जे G a to the power k रो generator. Now we have to show the sufficient condition. Now मते next part देखिया पे पड़िबो. Next part रे मु assume करने भी G a to the power k रो generator मते देखिया पे पड़िबो GCD of k and n is 1. So given is next part रे given a to the power G is a to the power k generated, and we have to show that GCD of k and n is 1. We have to show GCD of k and n equal to 1. So this is done by the method of contradiction. So let us assume मने करनियो जे GCD of k and n is not equal to 1. I mean GCD of k and n is something d and which is strictly greater than from 1. 1 to strictly bado karan mu mane nei 1 to strictly greater. Then what happens? Tahale kon hochi? So if GCD of k and n is d and which is strictly greater than from 1. So k और n रो GCD means greatest common divisor माने गरिष्ठ साधारण गुणित. So no doubt k is a multiple of d and n is also a multiple of d. So I can write k as certain multiple of d. So td, and I can write this n as sd. Okay. Now a to the power k ର order find out କରିବା ହେଉଛି ମୋ target. Okay, so a to the power k ର s power नियो and k can be written as your k is td. So td and s, and your sd is n. So this is a to the power t n. So a to the power t n is your identity. I mean that a to the power k ର order is equal to s because s power is identical. So s no, I mean is less or equal to n. S our order less or equal to s, and since s is s times d is n, no doubt this s is strictly less than from n. Okay, so एठी आम देखिले जे a to the power k ର order s किंबा s ठाରୁ छोट हम and that is strictly less than n. बट आम माने नहीं g a to the power k द्वारा जेनेरेट होता जोटा कि गिवन थिला. सो ताकू ये कंट्राडिक्ट कला. ओके, सो दिस इज ए कंट्राडिक्शन. सो दिस इज ए कंट्राडिक्शन because a to the power k ର order n होबा कथा. This is a contradiction. Our contradiction kahin milla? And since we are assuming that the GCD of k and n is strictly greater than 1, so I mean contradiction milla. That means this implies GCD of k and n is 1. Done. So both sides prove कर देली. So जदि गोटे ग्रुप ए जेनेरेट करुच्ची ए रो केथ ऑपरेशन भी से ग्रुप को जेनेरेट करिवो केतेबेले ना जदि ए रो ऑर्डर n ताले ए टू द पावर k रो ऑपरेशन ए रो केथ ऑपरेशन भी जेनेरेट करि परिवो जतबेले k and n भीतर जीसीडी 1 हेतिबो. आई मीन k and n both are relatively prime to each other. So for example, so C J equal to Z8, no doubt this is a cyclic group and generated by 1. So 1 रो को ऑपरेशन जनरेट कर परिबो. ओके, 1 रो 2th ऑपरेशन 2 और 8 रो जीसीडी 1 तो नो. आई मीन बोथ आर नॉट रिलेटिवली प्राइम. सो 1 रो सेकंड ऑपरेशन के भी जनरेट कर परिबो Z8 की. एंड यू नो बेटर बिकॉज़ 2 रो ऑर्डर इज 4. So ये generate कर period, but 3 and 8 रो GCD 1, 3 and 8 are relatively prime to each other, and 1 रो 3th operation generate कर परिबो. I mean 3 generate कर परिबो Z8 and देखो 3 रो order भी 8. Since 4 and 8 both are not relatively prime, so ये generate कर परिबो नहीं. But since 5 and 8 are relatively prime, 1 रो 5th operation, I mean 5 Z8 की जनरेट कर परिबो. आउ के कर परिबो 1 रो 7th ऑपरेशन जनरेट कर परिबो. सो Z8 के जनरेट कर परिबो 1 3 5 and 7. आई मीन Z8 रे 8 ऑर्डर रो 4टा एलिमेंट अछि, दैट इज 1 3 5 7. ओके, सो दिस इज द कांसेप्ट व्हाट द थ्योरम सेज. थ्योरम ए कथा कहउतला जे जी जदि ए जनरेट करूची देन ए रो आउ को ऑपरेशन जनरेट करि परिबो ना ए रो केथ ऑपरेशन करि परिबो जतबेले ए के एंड एन बोथ आर रिलेटिवली प्राइम एंड n is the order of that element. ये थिला थ्योरम रो मेसेज अमन पई. ओके, सो अब गोटे प्रॉब्लम करिबा या पे. So question is जोटा कि ऑलरेडी हम कर सके. Find the number of elements of order 8 in Z8. Z8 रे 8 ऑर्डर रो केतेटा एलिमेंट अछि बाहर करो. So Z8 is a cyclic group. Here identity is this is a cyclic group of under addition and एक रो 8 थर ऑपरेशन करले हमको आइडेंटिटी मिलियो 0 मिलियो. 1 to the power 8 is 8. This is 0 modulo 8 रे सो ऑर्डर 8 रो के अच्छी 1 अच्छी पूर्व देखे भी सारी के अच्छी 1 अच्छी 3 अच्छी एंड 5 अच्छी एंड 7 अच्छी सो 4टा एलिमेंट बट से पचार केतेटा यहाँ सर्ट ट्रिक हूँ फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर जिते भी था ऑर्डर डी इन जेड रे शॉर्टकट हूँ यू जस्ट फाइंड फाइ डी so the number of element of order d in zn is phi d. Phi d means Euler phi function. एटा phi function केमती बाहर करिवो सेटा तुम नंबर थ्री जानी हाउ टू फाइंड Euler phi function but this is a formula and या को यूज करी बहुत ही क्वेश्चन MSc entrance examination आसे सेति हम कहि देली so the number of elements of order d in zn रे d order केतेटा एलिमेंट अछि that is phi d and you know how to find phi d I mean Euler phi function of d is how much. If you don't know then give a comments on below so that I will explain you what is Euler phi function. Okay, thank you.